Hi, I'm Kathleen Carter from Kitten Outdoors, and I really like spring fishing because we fish at Lake Champlain, and up there there's this little campground right near the shore line, and there's this creek that I really like fishing in. And then once it got really high, and I caught a 14-pound carp in there. And I really like when it gets really high, because every year it gets really high once or twice, and then I get to catch catfish, carp, and lots of big fish. And for more tips and tricks, see me at kittenoutdoors.com. Bye!